Hi everyone, I'm Wakaya, the founder of Wabi Sabi Gin.
Greetings from Tokyo. I'm Tom, also founder of Wabi Sabi Gin.
And I'm Jerome. I am chef, and I am the master flavor of Wabi Sabi Gin.
The journey to Wabi Sabi Gin started originally as my passion to drink tasty gin, and then it evolved to a mission to make excellent gin with Tom and Jerome.
Our unique blend of herbs contributes to this bold and complex taste, where we're using both fresh and dried herbs, Japanese and traditional botanicals. And we've tweaked this recipe specifically for the UK Craft Gin Club, adding more floral notes for the April Gin of the Month, Wabi Sabi Sakura Gin Edition. When we designed the bottle, we wanted to do something special and pay homage to where we developed the gin and where it was made. And this is the actual torii gates that are on the inside of the bottle from Nagato, Yamaguchi. We wanted to make the Sakura Gin of the Month also have a unique label feature, and we put a depiction of Sakura inside this label as well.
Hi guys. Bye.